Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Today we're going to talk about lubricants that will destroy your vinyl windows. You may have seen videos that I have done in the past where we talk about, lubricants that we use, dry film lubricants, and then the lubricants that can destroy your windows. What I've always said, and I will continue to say, is make sure that whatever lubricant you're using on your vinyl window or door does not have petroleum in it, because the petroleum is the oil base that will create problems for you in the future. So you can spray on a lubricant that has the petroleum in it, feel like, hey, that was an instant fix, but it doesn't take long for the dirt and everything to get mixed in with that lubricant, because it never dries. It stays there and it's always moist, if you will, right? And once the dirt starts collecting in there, it turns into like a mud. What that does is it just makes whatever you had as a quick fix become ultimately worse. The other problem is you can start to discolor your vinyl product because of the petroleum, and it can start to create like a yellowish look, and it looks garbage, all right? And the problem is you can't clean it off. Once it's on, it's bled into the vinyl. So that's why I always say stay away from those things. I've said before, like WD-40. Now I know WD-40 is a brand and they have a dry film lubricant. Well, great. Then go get that dry film lubricant, but get a dry film lubricant. The one that we use, because it's readily accessible for us and I like the way it works for my vinyl windows when we install, is a sprayway. It's just an all-purpose dry film lubricant. And when you spray this on, it will dry, but it's an instant improvement. If the windows are getting sticky, you gotta clean your windows. We have a video on that as well. But then after everything is said and done and the windows dry, spray some dry film lubricant. Spray it in the track and you're good. Do not put anything petroleum based on your window. That's all I have to say about that. Hopefully this resonates with you. If you have any questions, reach out. Otherwise, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.